She's picking up her styling. Nina got this. Morning, welcome in Slovenia, welcome in Ljubljana. We are here with Nina. Nina likes to wear classy clothes because she is a hardworking girl that studies a lot, needs to have something for the job and that she can take out later for a night out with her girls. She's picking up her styling, so
Yeah.
you'll do your job, something classy like, more diva style, and I'll do something that will kick her out completely of her comfort zone, something more funky and trashy. My style. And then Nina got this, something a bit more warm for the winter.
Or for the summer.
Not much stuff we liked at Zara, so we're going in mango. Nina and I are actually really picky. Well, it's me who's picky most. So we went to H&M as well to try these. We needed to put the first styling on because Nina was cold. Like I just burn off heat all the time, so I don't have radiators on in the studio. But Nina is a woman and she feels way colder. So we dressed her up in this warm sweater we bought first, and then we show you the second styling at the end of the video. Black all around the eyes. This will be smoky eyes makeup tutorial because she has individual lashes in. I don't think I'll be applying mascara. Can I even apply mascara? No?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah? Alright. All around the bottom part as well. Well, not all around. No, because I'll leave them. So just here on the outer corner. Blend it, blend it. I'll blend it like this. Brush to up. And I won't be blending it out because I want a soft look. So this is lovely. This is really soft. She has more angled features, so I want to soften the face. This is how I'll hold the brush. You see flat here, and when she opens the eye and looks up, cuckoo, here. Same. And then I connect this part. And because she doesn't have such deep set eyes, basically I can make them slightly darker, and I can even use a smoky eye technique, because obviously if you would have really deep set eyes, you wouldn't do smoky makeup, traditional classic smoky makeup, because it would just look crazy. Because I don't want a full-blown smoky eye look. This is what we'll do. Black, so darker color, just to the start of the eye, then smoking it up towards the upper part with a middle color. And then on the bottom part, I'll just blend it slightly down like this so that I get a gradient. If Nina looks straight in the camera, this part of the eye looks slightly heavier because here, obviously, they're eyelashes. Therefore, that part there will make brighter. So you just take a middle color and apply it all over the eyelid throughout the middle part, and then blending it in the darker color. I thought it would be nice as well if we tried something funky. Therefore, we'll apply red color, same as we did with the dark one, blending it up so that she gets like burnt smoky eyes, yeah, reddish burnt. Bottom part from the start, just opening the eye, especially going here, slightly more down. So making an application thicker, I can flatten the brush like this and go like this. Because this is where the eye is the darkest naturally for her, obviously. That's why by lightening it here, it will become more bubbly. Took the makeup off because I wanted to show Nina an awesome foundation that I think she will quite like. Because here on the nose, she says her skin slightly flakes, which mine does as well, so that you get a better feeling.
It doesn't seem that.
Yeah, mine does totally. Well, you need to treat it, with certain creams and stuff. So, first of all, usually the problem is a foundation, because foundations really dry the skin out. And because this is a warm look, she gets slightly darker under eye circles. I want to give this warmth to her face because she will look fresh, like waken, right? So going over with this, which is a bunny friendly eco makeup. So this is all vegan cosmetics. Vegan. Now take it off. Not take it off, but actually like put it in the skin with the beauty blender that obviously takes a lot of product off. But it's more because I have water on. This won't look caked up. And when we were talking about flaking the nose, right? Because I'm going over with this, it will give water to the face and it will sink in. D3, so this is quite thick actually. And I think applying these dermacolors are best if you tap them with your finger, because when you melt the product, it will really sink in the skin. Tap, 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 and then we'll go over with touche éclat so that the eyes pop slightly more. Because she has purplish under eye circles, this is yellow. Yellow, purplish, complementary colors, meaning that we neutralize the under eye area. 1 dot, 2 dot, 3, touche éclat, 8 hours sleep in a click, Nina, 8 hours sleep in a click. Here. And on the chin, and that's it. Like it can be here, we can put it on the cupid's bow and then tap it, because the formulas are not that compatible. So if they're not, you just tap it and it's okay. Because if you would drag it, it would take everything off. Nina has such a lovely bone structure. So what I want to do now, we'll flick her hair down later. Therefore, I'll contour this forehead slightly more heavily. And then this is where her natural shadow goes, right? Towards her mouth. And I'll go here, the same. But slightly more up here, slightly more up, which will make these cheeks even more curved, yeah? Highlighter here. Right, first on my hand. So, because otherwise you can look like Christmas tree bombs, right? Here, tap, tap, tap. Because she has such lovely curvy cheeks, means that she won't old quick, like she will old really slowly. Yeah, does that make sense?
So.
Yeah.
I hope so.
You trust me, because like when you have such full cheeks and then the gravity does its job, like the cheeks still hold because it's a bone here. So yeah, highlighting this part that we make them even rounder. Because she has these falsies on, I will apply a thin coat of eyeliner because this will work as a mascara. I don't want to put mascara over all of these because then cleaning it is actually a nightmare. But if I make a thin line here, this will give depth to her look. Just filling them in slightly, because she has such a perfect shape. Good job, yeah. I'm filling them in just on the upper corner. So here, I want to lift them slightly, make this lovely seagull's wing. And that is it actually, because later we'll apply a darker lipstick. Because the lips are angled, so angle like this, like that. I want to make them curved because we are doing a classy makeup, yeah? Otherwise, if I would do pointed lips, she would look more bubbly. So maybe pointed later, but now we'll curve them, especially here on this part. Nina said she likes lighter shades, therefore we're trying something darker. And we were like, if this doesn't work, we'll just wipe it off, you know. But this will be awesome, I guess, because it's a shimmery lipstick that will match the earrings that I chose for her. Blush, final touches, and then we'll show you another top and you guys decide what you like better on Nina. Is it this one or the one you'll see now? Cool? See.